What if I told you the key to unlocking true inner peace isn't about changing the world around you, but about mastering something within you? Hey everyone, I'm Joseph, and today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet often misunderstood tools for a happier life: forgiveness. It's not just for others, it's a gift you give yourself. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 5 philosophical insights that will fundamentally change how you view forgiveness and ultimately unlock a profound sense of inner peace. Ready to let go and feel lighter? Think about it. Who are you holding on to anger for right now? Let me know in the comments below. Just the general feeling, no names needed. 1. Control what you can. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, were masters of inner resilience. They emphasized focusing on what's within our control: our judgments, our reactions, our character. Someone else's actions are not in our control. Holding on to grudges because of their actions is giving them power you shouldn't relinquish. Forgiveness, from a Stoic view, is reclaiming that power. It's choosing your response, not being dictated by their past behavior. Here's the thing: dwelling on the past keeps you stuck. Forgiveness is a forward-moving act. 2. Act of freedom. Existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre would argue that we are condemned to be free. This means we are responsible for creating our own meaning and choosing our values. Holding on to a grudge is choosing to be defined by that negative experience. Forgiveness is an active choice, an assertion of your freedom to move beyond it, to define yourself on your own terms, not by the limitations imposed by others. So, is forgiveness a weakness? Absolutely not. It's one of the strongest choices you can make. 3. The greatest good. From a utilitarian perspective, we aim for the greatest good for the greatest number. Holding on to anger harms you most, but it can also negatively impact your relationships and your overall well-being. Forgiving, on the other hand, leads to greater peace, healthier connections, and a more positive environment for yourself and those around you. It's a practical choice for maximizing happiness. How has letting go of a grudge positively impacted your life? I'd love to hear your success stories. 4. Cultivating compassion. Virtue. Ethicists focus on character. What kind of person do you want to be? Cultivating virtues like compassion, empathy, and understanding is key. Forgiveness is a direct pathway to developing these virtues. It requires us to try and see things from another's perspective, even if we don't agree with their actions. This practice strengthens our moral character and makes us more resilient and kind. Remember, forgiveness isn't about forgetting, it's about remembering without the sting. 5. Forgiveness as narrative control. Finally, think about your life story. How do you want to narrate it? Holding on to unforgiveness can make bitterness a central theme. Forgiveness allows you to rewrite that narrative. It empowers you to say, "This hurt happened, but it does not define my ending." You gain control over your personal story, choosing resilience and growth as the prevailing plot. So there you have it. 5 philosophical insights into forgiveness. It's liberation, a Stoic act of control, a Buddhist release, an existential freedom, a utilitarian choice for good, a virtue-building practice, and a way to control your life's narrative. It's not easy, but the peace it brings is transformative. If these insights resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more content on unlocking your best self and finding inner peace, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. What was your biggest takeaway today? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, forgiveness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself. Next week, we'll be exploring practical mindfulness techniques to manage daily stress. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep growing, keep shining, and keep seeking that inner peace. See you in the next video.